so stated also. I know. I see my name a pop up all over social media. Let me address this situation first and foremost. I see a lot of my name popping up because when you don't write my name, it show up and say somebody comment about Marcia Campbell. Me I beg you do. Una stop talking about how Marcia now go over to the Indian reservation side. Because remember say over there, the Indian them in there, no. You understand me? So, because over there cool. Listen. Una stop talking about how Marcia they pan flyers and Marcia they pan no flyers. Me look like somebody frightened for your word. Eh? Where is Marcia? Me no need for the pan. I don't need to be on it. I'm not, I don't know you, so I withdraw myself. I withdraw myself from it. I was supposed to go there to give Simone an award. As how you call it? And me, I was one of the person where to give somebody an award when they walk up. And I withdraw myself for a long time. Remember me withdraw me first. Remember, you know, we don't have to get it clear now, you know. Because I think that you people are having a misunderstanding about the whole situation that occur on social media. You understand me? So let it be known. And nobody not take me off an award. I, Marcia Campbell, withdrawn myself from the award show. Me, the first person, withdrawn myself. I was supposed to go and be a presenter. Not to accept an award. You cannot give a person, you cannot get a humanitarian ambassador award 2020 and go back in a 2022 get an award again. Persons who our award go, you cannot give the if you have an organization and you're giving out award to people who do certain type of work, you cannot give a person the same award every year or whatever. It may be one that 10 or 20, 15 years them get something else. But once you get humanitarian, you always be a humanitarian. You can't go and get humanitarian 2001, 2002, 2003. You cannot go back and get something. If for instance then, if me not get philanthropist then or whatever, you know, and stuff like that, you would have to be like different. You could it's all come together of different things that you don't forget that one. So some of people out there when I'm getting it wrong. You cannot get back the same award all the time. And that is what I am here to tell you now. So I don't know how comes in a come on social media talking about Marcia jealous. Marcia jealous because she's not getting nothing. Idiot people, baboon people. Idiot people and baboon people. You can't get the same award into an organization. Once you get an award like that, you're not supposed to get none again for the rest of your life. It goes that is it. You're not supposed to get nothing more. You can't go. You can tell them about somebody like me now. I get me refer somebody. Like when I refer the two Simone. You understand me? Like when I say to her, say, give it to Simone from Canada. You can suggest somebody and look somebody. But you can't go get it. So what me need to go for? Oh no, on Facebook talking about, oh, she's jealous because so-and-so going, or so-and-so going, and so-and-so going. Donna get paid to go. Donna get paid to go to Canada. Donna now got Canada, so she hire Donna to come to Canada. She hire Donna. Donna ain't going to Canada like that. Donna getting paid to go to Canada. Donna, she not just come invite them for getting an award. Donna going to host a show. She have to pay Donna to go to Florida, to go to Canada. So on the top call up my name. The woman going there as working. They hire her to come and pay. To pay her. Just as how she paying Cora for come too. I'm sure she paying Cora. You understand me? But uno come and talk about because me jealous. Me jealous because I'm not getting nothing. Eh? Me jealous because I'm not getting nothing. Are you people kidding me? You can't, this, if it's a charity something, oh, you forgive people the same thing. Huh? But what you talking about? Me a plan to go to Canada way before something. Long time me a plan. Only the year before Facebook, I was going to a wedding on the 24th of June. Me and another a friend of mine. So when it came up and I tell her about Simone, she said to me, say, can I come and give it to her? I tell her, I said, I'm not sure if I can. I don't think so. I will let her know. And that is the God Almighty truth. She called me back when I realized it was the same time, because me never know say change because I don't follow up her page. So I never know say change because she always keep it in March and I'm going in June. You understand me? So I never know it was changed. So I said to her, I said, me now come in March. She said, no. It changed to June. So I said, all right then. I said, what time I do? She said, down the 25th. I said, oh, I'm supposed to come to a wedding. I will let you know. About a week or two after she could get back in touch with me, and she said, we're doing the paperwork and doing whatever. Are you consider coming? After I spoke to someone, I said, okay, since this is going to be the 24th, I will come. So me not understand. I don't need to be on another damn award. So una stop the foolishness. Cause una making it seem like say me I got Oscar. If I not Oscar, then Oscar a different story. Or the Grammy. Una stop the foolishness. Una stop the foolishness. When you not talk about, when you're not on social media talking about somebody jealous of going to place, talk about inviting me to the BET award. Or the Oscar, the Grammy or something. That is what we need to talk about. That is it. The Emmy. Come on. Oh, don't mix me up. Go wish up, go away. Not because I'm popular on social media. Not because I'm a big star. I know everywhere. I know everywhere me go and push up myself and go. I don't think so. I know everywhere. Me frightened for your award. You expect me to go on a damn award. I'm frightened for God that the award there. For the way I was treated in 2020. I drink mad puss piss. It's just because of Simone why me even have the slightest idea of going. You see me look like say me love kiss. Sure. Oh. I wonder if me have the little mandarin left in my bag. You not talk about things, you must talk about things. Important things. Not common things. Those are common denominator for me. These are not high class things. When you not chat about things on social media, when you must talk about high class venues. You know if you not involve me for lower budget functions. You must stop it. Stop it, man. Stop it. That's right. Yes, me sell sheet and booking. And if you sell your man too, me will sell your man too. Lord, man for sale. Man for sale. What someone say? Say someone here. I mean nominate someone, you know. I say someone here. Miss Marcy, I would love to see you there. If it wasn't you nominated me to get I well deserve award. I respect and love you for me. I would not collect that award without thinking of you. Well, I won't be there, you know. Me a woman Me a woman, I full of principle. I won't be there. But congratulations again, you deserve it. And that is the reason why I nominated you. And thank goodness that she accepted the nomination. But I will not be there, as you know that. Not me as a principal. Me can't see persons who are responsible for woman empowerment and supporting somebody who come on social media and depend a rampage for a slaughter at say all kind of something degrading woman. You understand? It is so embarrassing. It is so embarrassing to me to see that man and that the paper there. I mean, the man is so obsessed with me that him don't have no choice but to beg him way. Cause I heard him on the show, him beg him way. Beg his way to be on this award show. Because he wants to claim that he's going to spite me. Like him, all the big heads, them depon it and him depon it. It's ridiculous. The man is so obsessed. The man is so obsessed with me that him feel like said if him go to the award show. Him listening to me right now. If him go to the award show, it's a big deal. Big deal, me ass, and a BT. The man is so obsessed with me that him feel like say going to a award show and being up there with the rest of people. That is a childish behavior. That is a childish behavior, me not lie. Eh? A man beg him way. Beg him way. Look, International Women's Achievers Award, and you put a Facebook, the one of the worst man on Facebook to disrespect woman. Look how the man they on Facebook and disrespect me for almost 1 year now. And you want somebody like that to mix with them, the deserving people, someone who is a child of God, and I send home 99 barrel a month, and other rest of people will work hard, and this man only sit on social media and bully people and put down people, especially woman. And it never said international man, you know. It said international woman. Are the worst disgrace me could ever see. The more the woman had on people, the more he look bad. Somebody can't put that the somebody there. That the somebody there on flyers. At that time, at that make it look worse. I mean, I respect she. If me have one little penky, I respect for your lady. To put that the same thing there. All respect. Gone. Them not get no award. They just go in there as for boost up the award. So you're not getting it wrong. They are not getting an award. You understand? They just go in there to warm bench and feel like say them important. They're not getting an award. She's not giving them an award. They just go in there to boost up the economy. Because those supposed to be the elites. Those supposed to be the elites to bring revenue. So somebody's supposed to see him down and run. Oh, my favorite so-and-so. My favorite so-and-so. Two is coming. It's only the people who are all glad to see him and the people who don't like me. That is the worst disgrace I could ever see. No lady gone bad, me not ask. No, sir. Just spoil up the damn flyers. Eh? Just spoil up the damn flyers. No, sir. No, sir. It better than me get Rupert from Jamaica for company. Hey, hey! It better Rupert. It better Jamaica get Rupert for funny. It better Rupert. Eh? It better put Rupert funny. Oh, yes, better get Rupert. No, sir. Me not tell a lie. So no top mix me up in a dirty bungle, man. Eh? Wanna stop mix me up in a dirty bungle. Eh? When I see that. That is terrible. That is terrible. That is terrible. Terrible. You spoil up the flyers. One of the most disrespectful man on social media. But you put him on it because you try to spite me. Me hear y'all make a statement and say, the only time me and you ever speak over the past 10, 15 years that you've been on social media, it is just to say, behave yourself how you doing. Why? Baby tap ya. Run me down with some kalanga water and dash you over dry river. No, sir. Make me laugh here today. The only time I am acting as if you and I speak like that. The only time we speak is only when you heal me up. I wonder if me have like fries left in here. In here like a McDonald's bag here. I wonder if me have like fries left in here.